Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, removing guidelines. I made a video last night and then somebody wrote me an email and maybe they were trying to delete them all. I mean, you can take away you can basically hide them, but they're still there. So like we stated in the video last night, if you want to remove that one, if you hold down the control button and take those three and delete them, those three are deleted. Or if you just want to get that one, just select it and hit delete. But if you want to delete them all, click on one and then go Control All or Control A. I don't think I did it. Control A, and they're all selected, and you just hit delete on your keyboard, and they're gone forever until you either hit the backup button or reset them. And if you see they're all highlighted, and I can just hit delete again. But you can also change a line. Guidelines to me have always been a little bit hard to read, but if you go right here, you can make them longer lines and a little bit more visible. I guess you don't really want to make them any thicker because then they wouldn't be a guideline and they would cause problems. But there's a lot of, snap to your guidelines. You could, unlock your guidelines and lock them. Preset guidelines, you could have a preset and just bring it up. I might have to look into that to make another video. But Control A will get them all. You have to select one and then go Control A, and you can see they're all highlighted, and then just hit delete. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.